here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and humble. Ding dong, that is their song with joyful ring, all caroling. One seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, holly pow, raising the sun, oh, hallelujah, telling their tongues. Gaily they ring while people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is here. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Dong, listen on reloading with joyful tone to every home.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and guess where we are once again? In Gatlinburg, Tennessee. We're gonna check out the Anakeesta during the daytime. Let's go check it out. All right, so what's your name?
Jacqueline.
Jacqueline. And Jacqueline, where are you from?
Minnesota.
Minnesota, great date. All right, so what's your name? Come on.
Kylie.
Kylie, that's pretty. What's your name?
Will.
Will, where are you from?
Minnesota.
Minnesota.
My name's Ethan. I'm from Tennessee.
Oh, Tennessee.
Tennessee, all right.
All right. What's your name, baby girl?
Madeline.
Madeline. Oh my God.
All right, so we're about to get on.
I hope the people didn't wet their pants on the last one.
There it goes.
All right.
Yeah, they didn't wet their pants.
Ah! Ah!
Mike, right up here, there's a house that they say, please stop throwing coins on the roof. And look, nothing but coins on this roof.
Oh no.
We seen it last time.
I'm scared.
And we'll see it. I don't like this side. It feels like it's tilted.
It is.
Did y'all have fun?
That's good.
Okay, so we're about halfway up the Anakeesta mountain. Now, Anakeesta actually is a word that means
A place for higher ground.
And that's a Cherokee word.
that's a Cherokee word for all you students out there. Listen to the teachers. And when they say higher ground,
It's Cherokee! But we're in Gatlinburg.
but we are in Gatlinburg, is where the Anakeesta mountain is. The Christmas lights, they had all the Christmas lights on the ground. And to give you a perspective of how large they are, there's the people going over them. You drive.
Step off of the green box, follow the green arrows all the way up the open.
All right.
All right.
Made a motion, so move quickly.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
gosh.
Go.
There you go. Yes.
It almost hit you, Nikki. Welcome to Anakeesta.
Listen, and children, listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white, and may all your Christmases be white.
Take a look at that view. So here in Anakeesta, this time we're going to try different things that we didn't see last time because there's so much to do.
That's right. And last time they didn't have the birdhouses, and they just opened the birdhouses actually yesterday, and it was really crowded. So we're going to check out the birdhouses.
And we're going to take the tower.
Okay.
So let's take the tower and let's look at the stuff we hadn't looked at.
That's right. It's a lot cooler out here today than it was whenever we came in August.
Like 90 degrees last time we were here.
So we can do a little bit more.
So here's a place that we didn't hit last time we were up here in Anakeesta. And it's called the what?
This is the garden, the Vista Garden.
The Vista Garden.
Yes, the Anakeesta Garden.
And it's all decorated for Christmas.
It's beautiful.
As you can see, last time it was, I think, a few pumpkins because it was around Halloween, right?
That's right. So they have some fun lookout points out there. I'll let Beatbox take you across that little bridge over there. Oh,
Look at that. You gonna go on that, man? Go ahead. I'll catch you coming off.
you
Go.
going, Nikki? I'm not.
We're going up the tower.
See?
Gotta go through the bushes here. Catch him coming out the other side.
All right. There's Beatbox. 3 little birds. And now, Beatbox is about to take you upstairs at the Anakeesta Tower.
Anakeesta Tower. Let's take it to the top, like you're never gonna stop. So up here on the top of Anakeesta Tower, they've got these markers like east, northeast, southwest, southeast. So you'll know which direction you're looking when you get up top here. There's the new bird houses that recently opened. We'll try to hit those in a minute. They also have this glass that you can walk on and hope that it doesn't break as you're looking over. There's the mountain range looking northwest. And that's what it looks like. There's the sun trying to set over the mountains, which will bring Gatlinburg to life. If you look way out there, you see the Space Needle, which we are a lot higher, as you can tell. And that's Gatlinburg down there at the bottom of the hill, which will be lit up here shortly. Now they're just lounging around the fire.
No, it's not your fault.
See the gardens? What's the matter, Nikki? Come here.
Oh, I'm good.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Oh, my word.
Well, that's a look up here on the Anakeesta Tower. Now, after this panoramic view, we'll head on back down.
The other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer race.
Oh, then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight?
And how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Frosty the snowman was a jolly happy.
So we've been calling it the birdhouses, and it's actually the Bird Venture that just opened up a day ago. Let's go check out some fun.
Well, one disappointing feature this place has is the slides are closed today.
Dang
knowing
it.
that we really wanted to get in there.
Heck yeah. All
Just
right.
look. Whee!
Hey,
But
maybe.
instead, we'll just walk through the birdhouses.
Yeah. Oh, so that's your only way to slide down is to go through that slide. And then you get to slide down to the other slides. And it looks like they're cleaning them out. Okay, so let's check it out.
And look at the funky trail right there. Look at that.
Oh,
Look at the funky
this.
trails. Yeah.
This is how I walk every day.
Oh, look inside.
This is, oh,
So inside here, they got
little bears and little creatures.
snakes. Look at that. Oh, God, that thing about bit me. And there's a skunk, some other various raccoon animals and stuff.
And let's do this.
You ready to go on the
Yeah, that's how I walk.
weird, funky
Yeah,
trail?
this is me walking every day.
Whoa. Whoa.
Okay.
Ah,
Whee!
look up here. This is your.
Oh, this is pretty.
This is your birdhouse right
This
here.
is my birdhouse right here.
Hello, Barbie.
Hey, Barbie.
Look at
Hi,
that.
Ken. Beautiful bluebird. Look, she's on my hand.
That bird will eat you. It's so big. Oh, you didn't see the second level.
Well, how do you get there?
Let's find out.
Oh, right down here.
All right, this is the second level down here. Oh my goodness, it's an obstacle course in this one. Look at the obstacle course. Let's see if they can make it through there. Oh,
okay.
Goodness.
Oh, yeah, look at them.
Go back around again.
I'll get out
All
the
right,
way.
so on the second level, it's like an obstacle course. You can see the kids going through there. Comes on back around. Some crazy stuff you have to go through there. And the lower level where the slides are, we just found out they had them too slow one time, too fast the next time, and they're trying to get them right in the sweet spot so they won't slide out and hit the fence.
So it won't be like Christmas vacation.
That's right.
You'll be out by the road.
But if you're looking for some slides and some obstacle courses, this might, I don't see how he can do it. Look.
Will he make it? Hey! Uh-oh, look at this one right
Wow,
here. Get this
look.
adult.
This must be for adults.
Oh, yeah. We're going to have to go try
Guess
that.
who's going to try it out?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Most definitely.
yeah.
Let's go do it.
Look at this. Watch these fools right here. All right.
This might be more entertaining. Watch your step.
Watch that last step.
You're out of breath, beatbox.
It's the way God made me.
All right, well, there you have it. That was a look at Anakeesta during the daytime. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button, because why not? You're missing out on the lot. Well, see you in the next video.
One seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how they pound, raising the sound. Oh, how they peal, telling their tales. Gaily they ring while people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is here. Ding, ding, dong,
Merry Christmas, Merry, 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 Merry Christmas. Dong, dong, listen, dong, without end, their joyful tone to every home. Hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, no cares away. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, big and the bold. Ding dong, ding dong, that is their song. With joyful ring, all caroling.
one seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how they pound, raising the sound. Oh, how they peal, telling their songs. Ding, ding, dong, dong, is the song. Dong, on they sing, on without end, with joyful tone to every home.